Today we want to look at general knowledge. We are speaking English, we are learning English, but are you aware that there are rules of grammar guiding us, and in most cases we break these rules? I mean, you cannot just say things the way you wish to. For instance, you cannot say I was wanted. This is how some of my learners want to talk to me. Then I say, oh, you was wanted. This is bad English. This English make us look unprofessional. They make us sound really unprofessional. There are so many. And today we are going to look at general knowledge so that we improve our vocabulary. It doesn't matter whether you are a learner or just somebody who is learning English. Together we'll improve and become better speakers. This is a pair of jeans, but in most cases you want to call it a jean. Stop it, that is incorrect. Kettle is already in plural. We do not add an S on kettle to become kettles. These two people are in love and they are called a couple. They are not couples. So, two people in love are a couple. Fish is already in plural. Fish is already in plural. So, please do not add S there unless when you are referring to different kinds of species, different kinds of fish. Different species? Yes, we can say fishes. Sheep. These are sheep, not sheeps. We do not add S there. It is very much wrong. Stop it right away. Advice. Advice is already in plural. It is not advices. We say, let me give you some advice. We do not say, let me give you some advices. Although we have been saying it. Okay, so just stop there. Hair. I know your hair is thick, plenty of it on your head, but no matter how long or thick it is, we do not say hairs. We just refer to it as hair. So stop adding an S there and just say hair. Information. It is not called informations. No matter how much information you have, that is just information and not informations. Thank you so much for attending to this lesson. Slowly we will improve. Together we will do better. But do not be scared of mistakes. It doesn't mean that you have to speak fluently or without errors. That is how we learn. Have a good day. Bye-bye.